I'm a guy from Vice Grip Garage.
My name's Tate Morgan. I'm with the Gambler 500, and I'm here to race some Pontiac Azteks, I think.
So my name is Alex Taylor, drag race, and co-host of Motor Trend's Hot Rod Garage.
My name is Tony Angelo, and I'm a YouTuber.
No, I have no idea what's going on whatsoever. I don't even know where I am.
We're here at Tucson Dragway, where we're going to be racing Pontiac Azteks in the desert surrounding the drag strip. Adam Dory, why are we doing this?
Because we're nuts, is why. Chad Reynolds.
Never driven an Aztek, never actually had a desire to drive an Aztek, but here we are.
I've driven probably about every other piece of junk car, but the Aztek is not one of them.
It's majestic, but nope, never driven one. Super fired up, 185 horsepower. I can't wait. It's gonna be good.
I have never driven an Aztek before. I have been, what's the opposite of a fan?
This car has always stood out to me as being like the most wretched design of all time. And I love stuff that's just out there and outwardly terrible and just overtly insane. So I'm in for the, he was like, we're racing Azteks. I was like, I'm on the plane.
I am pretty confident though, being in Tucson, that I could get a good radio station. Wish the CD player worked. I've got air conditioning, I've got a cooler.
But I do have a cooler. It's so dumb. Why would you need a cooler in the middle?
Aztek's an Aztek, but once I get behind the wheel, it becomes a winning machine.
Is there traction control? Is there? Where's the traction control button?
I think it's going to be a game of, is the car good? How good is the car? We'll see.
Airbag lights on, seatbelt light, low tire pressure, anti-lock brake system fail, track lock system fail. Pretty good.
These cars are not created equally.
No way. No, well, they were at one point, but they're not anymore.
I do think I got a pretty good one. Mine seems to run really well. It's somewhat low miles. The AC's busted, which is a bummer, but generally it's a pretty solid looking car.
I'd say the main advantage that my Aztek has is that I'm behind the wheel.
What is this? Yeah, for the dub.
I'm just gonna enjoy the ride, and maybe I'll sneak up on the last lap or two. We'll see what happens.
Well, for Pete's sake!
I actually don't do corners. The skill set that's probably going to give me any advantage is the fact that I'm probably going to play it on the safe side, go for the longevity of the car. Oh, heck yeah! Go, baby, go! And then the others, I'll let them take each other out in the corners. That's my plan right now.
Is Tate running back to the start
Tate.
line? He's running back with his helmet in hand.
Based on my inability to take it easy in all things, I think probably pretty bad.
My bones.
Tony had the edge because he's crazy.
My main goal is to roll Tony, let's be honest. Just putting it out there.
But it seems cool. I will race anything. So, it could be 2 carousel horses out there. I would try to ride one.
Come on!
We'll see what happens. You never know. Don't call me out.
How confident am I? I'm very confident. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing.
The tractor is, yes, I broke the tractor. The tractor is broken. Sorry, Jim. Is Jim in here?